Hey my lovely beauties, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you a hair mask review from TRESemme. Watch on for more details. TRESemme Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how's the packaging? This hair mask comes in a red color tub box packaging with black lid, and the packaging is really good. And the product consistency, this hair mask totally won me over with this consistency. It is neither too runny or not too thick, make it super easy and mess free to use. And additionally, when applied to the hair, the buttery soft texture of this hair mask almost glides on my hair. And the texture, this hair mask is not sticky at all. In fact, it feels like super soft face cream and leaves the part of my hand very sweaty. Some of it's really soft. And after having used this hair mask a couple of minutes, I'm really happy to report that I absolutely love this product. The buttery soft texture of TRESemme Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask glides on my hair like a trim and spreads evenly without any combine. So additionally, every time I use this mask, my hair feels really soft, tangle free and frizz free. Even after my hair is completely dry, I notice that it feels super smooth and shiny and glossy. And I must say, I'm truly impressed. So this hair mask suitable for dry, frizzy hair and damaged hair. And this product contains keratin and marula oil, both of which are excellent for dry and damaged hair. Keratin is a type of protein that forms the building blocks of your hair. It helps fortify the cuticle and reduce frizz to make your hair manageable. Marula oil, on the other hand, deeply nourishes and hydrates your strands as well as prevents water loss. Both of these ingredients come together to fight frizz, tame flare areas, and detangle hair and boost shine. Frizzy hair is everyone's worst nightmare. It genuinely ruins every look you try to create, but with all this pollution and dust, frizz every once in a while is inevitable. When you start noticing frizz in your hair, it's time for a hair mask. Chances are your hair is too dry and needs some extra loving when it starts to look frizzy. So when the ends of your hair start to feel rough, it means your hair needs more than just a conditioner. This calls for hair mask time. Just shampoo your hair, skip conditioner and apply a hair mask on damp hair. If your roots feel fine but the ends are dry, apply the hair mask only to lengths of your hair. You can also substitute your conditioner with a hair mask. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and your tips should feel smoother. So this hair mask use weekly or whenever your hair needs a hydration hit. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends.